Hi guys, this is me again, Andy. Right now guys, meron akong nabili online. So as you can see, I'm going to unbox it. So here it is. Bale, ito yung, wala kasi dito ako nakita na keyboard and mouse na pink. So, I'm going to unbox. And I'm gonna show you guys if guys, may libreng mouse pad. So here it is. So hindi ko na patatagalin. This is this. Ito yung long 2. I think it's long 2. So online siya guys, international ko siya nabili. I mean, Long Tao. So it's China. As you can see, look. Yan. Long Tao. And, yan. And this is the Long Tao keyboard. So let's unbox. Yun nga guys. Ay, sira ang box. Excited ako. So this. Ano yung pinakahihintay kong keyboard. So, hindi ito ganun ka-pricey. Pero, at a price point of 1,300 something, pwede na siya guys. If yung girlfriend nyo, yung asawa nyo, or mismo kayo, mahilig kayo sa mga pink para sa PC nyo. And well, may mga tao kasi ngayon na may mga nagsiset up pink, all white, all black, RGB. So, eto guys, white ang backlight nito. So, ito, yan. So, hindi, baka naman, Long Tao. So, thank you seller, very responsive, ang bilis ng delivery. So, yun. Para hindi kayo maboring sa video ko. Yan. Yes. Thank you, Long Tao. I love it. Until the next unboxing, guys. This is Andy. Please like, share, and please subscribe to my channel. Peace out.